So good morning, good afternoon, good evening traders, wherever you are in the world. FX Warrior here. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to avoid overextended markets and avoid taking crazy losses like this candle right here that took out a lot of traders. Now, before we go into this, I'm actually grateful for those of you leaving comments that you got funded using concepts taught on this channel with the Fivers. So guys, if you want to still get funded with the Fivers, go ahead and use the link in my comment section. It's going to be pinned at the top comments. Now let's get into this video. Now take a look at this trade right here. It's a bad trade. You probably got stopped out somewhere before this candle went down this way. I'm going to explain why we need to avoid overextended markets and how we can do it using a simple tool in this video. Okay, now this tool is called the nnfx baseline, I believe. nnfx baseline. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it from my chart, and I'm going to put it back, and I'll tell you how it functions, how it works, and how you can use it. Now, to add it to your chart, click on the indicators tab on TradingView, type nnfx, and then baseline. The base, we have SE, and then you're going to click on this one by Sick Jackal. It might not appear first on your own, but you just have to click the one by Sick Jackal, and it might look a little bit different from what I had on the screen earlier. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the settings of this indicator, just like this. Click on the settings and go to the style. I want you to click on the shapes. We want to remove the shapes. There's another one. Click on it, you get it removed. And then finally, there's labels. Click on labels to get it removed from your screen, and yours should look clean now. Now, the aim of this indicator is to reduce any loss you're already taking from your system. So you are not using it to generate buy or sell signals. All it has to do is to reduce those losses you are taking. Now, your system might be profitable on its own, but taking bad trades are going to lead to you losing your account in the long run. Now, let me give you examples. Let's say on your system, you got a sell on this red candle right here. Okay, let me mark the red candle with an alternate V. On this red candle where the line is currently, let me zoom in. And then you decided to take the sell. I'm removing the white line, guys. Just focus on the candle. And you took your sell there. Perfect. And you put your stop loss. What happens to your stop loss during this period? You barely got a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and your stop loss got taken. Okay. Now let's say you got a buy since the trend is up. If you got a buy here on this big candle, and your stop loss was below here. Let me delete the sell just quickly. What happened to your stop loss? You barely hit a 1-to-1 and your stop loss got taken. Now, how did these two prevent you from taking these trades? Now, we are only going to take trades when the price action is inside of this actual indicator right here, inside of these white lines. Anything that closes below, anything that closes above cannot be taken, regardless of the signal that your market is actually giving you. Now, why does this work? Now, there's something called the average true range indicator. This indicator actually measures the average range of the moving candles. So when this price action closes more than the actual average true range, you're going to see it's going to close above this indicator. And during these periods are periods where the market makers are manipulating, the smart money are taking away a lot of people's stop losses. And it would be best for you to sit on cash rather than entering into trades like this, regardless if there's volume or no volume. This is another rule that has immensely helped my trading and actually helped me from staying out of a lot of losses. You guys know on this channel, I don't only give buy and sell indicators. I try my best to share my strategy as transparent as I can. Even though I'm not going to give you my exact strategy, I try my best to give you my strategy as transparent as I can, guys. So during this price action here, if you got an entry inside this candle here, you would have taken it. This candle right here. If you got an entry here, fine. You could have taken this one. It's fine. Regardless of your stop loss, you didn't get stopped out. But once this price action started closing above here, you can't take this trade. You can't take this other trade. Although in this case, it worked out. But in the long run, if you keep taking trades like that, for example, I didn't even go far. Like here, price closed above. What happened? You took your stop loss, your buy indicator, put here, set your stop loss, and what happened? You got stopped out. Another example where you get stopped out, and this is what a lot of people do, and they will tell you, wow, my indicator isn't working, my strategy is trash, please give me signals. You can see, guys, consistent losses if you take any trades that are outside the ATR bands. Okay, so regardless of how you enter, most times you are taking losses if you are trading outside of this place. More examples. You want to see more examples? You sold here What happened? Stop loss hit. You sold here, price closed below it. Let me put it right. You sold here, stop loss hit. No, you remember I'm not giving you guys signals or buy and sell. You just add it to your existing buy and sell indicator. You don't have to use it for entries or whatever like that. It just helps you to know the better places to get entries. If you sold here, this candle wicked you out. But if you sold inside this, can you see how smooth the ride was? Inside of it, the smooth ride. I don't know if I should give you 100,000 example. You guys are great traders. I believe in you, your backtesting abilities, and please do not take what I say as financial advice, because I would love you to do your testing yourself. I personally spent tons of hours backtesting, years on years and years, and tons of trades in order to find a consistent edge. So if I'm giving you a tool, it just means you should go back, test if this tool actually improves your strategy. If it does, it's a keeper, and I can almost guarantee you that this actually can improve your trading, not financial advice. Anything you do is your own responsibility, but I can guarantee you that this will actually improve your trading. And just test it, guys. If you bought above here, price was above the bands, what happened? You eventually took a loss. But if you bought down here, you probably were able to take some kind of take profits. If you sold outside here, you probably just managed to survive. But the majority of times, it actually won't work out for you. This is the trade on the thumbnail, and you can see how it didn't work out because the price closed above the ETR bands or the nnfx bands. Okay, so please, guys, take this one home, backtest it. If you enjoy getting educational videos like this on trading, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and stay profitable.